Hello everyone, welcome back to pyleap course. So in this video I'm going to talk about Windows method in pyleap. In this video lessons I'm not using internet, so I've already brought my download folder, so I'm going to use this. So I've opened my Python IDE. So first thing is I have to import my pyleap model. So from pyleap import star, and then the next thing is I have to define one function. So I will name this function as showing window method. Okay, and I have to pass one parameter, and let me pass this function, and here you have to write repeat, and you have to repeat your function, and next the last line of code should be run. The thing is you have to make sure that your pyleap code structure runs without any error. So before running my code, I want to save my file. Save as. Okay, so you see that I already have a download folder because I'm not using the internet for this lesson. Now I want to save this as a test. Okay, I should see a test. Yeah, now it's already there. So now let me run my program. Now you see that it works without any error because I already have a download folder, and download folder should contain this favicon and one configuration file. So the first thing is you see that by default we have pyleap window caption as leap learner. So I want to change this. So for that we have to use a window set caption method. So window, okay, set caption, and then here you have to pass a string. Let me pass these as learning learning window method. So now I'm saving. Let me run this code again. Now you should see that window caption has changed into a learning window method. By default it is a leap learner. So now the next thing that I'm going to talk is about the Windows size. By default the pyleap window size is 680. You see that if I hold my mouse here, it is around 680 by 480. So let us change this. So for that you have to use window.set size, and here you have to pass. By default the width of a window is 680, so maybe I will change to 800, and then the height by default it is 480, so let me change to around 400, and once again let me run my code. Now you see that my window width has changed to 800, window size to 400, but you see that our canvas has become distorted. So we can solve this by using a window method. So here you can pass window.clear. Now you see that everything has changed and it's perfectly fine. So next thing is I want to show a grid line. As of now you see that our output window is plain, nothing is there because we have not drawn anything. So let me show a grid line here so that it becomes very helpful when we are working with different types of shapes in pyleap. So for that you need to pass window.show axis. Okay, let me try with this. Now you see that we are seeing an axis. So this becomes very helpful when you are working with shapes. Now the very important thing you have to know is you see that when I'm passing a window method, I'm using a small letter W. So what happens if you change this to like a capital letter W? Like run once again, you see that you get an error saying that the error is at windows.set. So make sure that you use small letter W when you are using a window method. This is because like Python is case sensitive. Capital letter or small letter, it conveys a different meaning for the Python interpreter. Basically that's all for this video, and in the next video I'm gonna talk about how to draw different types of shapes in